Dear educators, welcome to the Student Alliance community. My name is Shahrukh. So, a lot of people have asked me, okay, that's great, you've been doing videos on chemistry, physics, biology, but what are the other things that you offer? Now, this is a very good opportunity for traders and trading educators. Just click on the menu. I've already downloaded Kite, which is used by a lot of traders across the country. Now, here, if I just try the demo version, say in case I want to see some orders, I can see the orders, I can see auctions, I can see IPOs, and at the same time, at any point of time, in case if you want to see the watch list, view the chart. So as soon as you view the chart, you will see all the candles that are available on the Kite application on our IFPD panel. Now, advantage for the traders is the bigger the size, the better the orientation of vision. So here you have your charts. Use it with your finger, use it with your stylus. Anything is totally a possibility. So thank you so much.